Today, the joint inspection was requested by us by writing to Director of Health Services and Urban Health Center. So DHS has taken cognizance of our letter and fixed up this inspection. What was the purpose of the inspection? The purpose of the inspection is two things. One is to understand what are the challenges of the departments that are concerned with this river. Many departments have problems. They are trying to solve it on their own. We wanted that by joint inspection, we are trying to connect 10 different departments with each other. So this was the first effort. Second point is to see ahead. What is the possibility of going ahead? As you know today, every consumer, and being a consumer organization, as a consumer organization, people are concerned about their rights, which is very correct. But to exercise your right, you must also take the responsibility. खूपशे आमी गिरायकाक सांगता कंप्लेन करपाक तुजो हक्क आसा, पण जबाबदारी आसा ती कंप्लेन बरोवपाक जाय. बरयल्या शिवाय ती कंप्लेन जायना न्हू, उलोवपाक सोंपें. So in this regard, we have been looking at the new Consumer Protection Act 2019 and what it can do and how it can help the consumer to improve the life of the people here in Goa. Together with that, as you know, Tar River has been discussed for a long time. Many discussions have taken place. Now what we are trying to do, to try to connect it with what is going on at a global level. At the United Nations and 10 वर्षाचा प्रोग्राम डिक्लेअर केला. what they call restoration of the ecosystem. खूंय डॅमेज जाला, कशें तें परत सारकें करपाक जाता, हो प्रोसेस सुरू जाल्लो आसा. आनी एज Goa is part of the central government setup, we can also access all the programs. The government department itself can access the program first of capacity building, officer training job, special project घालप, की खंयचे फंड आसा ते हाडप, हे सगळे करूंक शकता. सो आमी आयज स्पेसिफिकली गोवा बायोडायवर्सिटी, गोवा स्टेट बायोडायवर्सिटी बोर्ड, गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, सुडा ह्या एजन्सीक आमी कित्याक रिक्वेस्ट केले आज ते अटेंड करप, कित्याक खुबशे जे करता बाकीच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक खबर ना. दे आर नॉट अवेअर ऑफ वॉट इज बीइंग डन बाय दीस डिपार्टमेंट. द अदर थिंग इज दॅट इन द नेक्स्ट 6 months to take it forward, we have launched a specific campaign. It's called We Care Goa, Voluntary Consumer Action for River Ecosystems. ह्यो न्हय आमच्यो लोकांच्यो, पूण जितल्या पर्यंत लोक गिरायक स्वता इंट्रस्ट घेना, जंय न्हय आसा तशीच उरतली. ताका लागून हो रिवर इकोसिस्टम म्हणजे कितें, न्हंयेन कसले नुस्तें आसा, त्याचे कसली बारीक बारीक जिवण आसा, ते सगळे भायर काडपा खातीर डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ फिशरीज, बायोडायवर्सिटी बोर्ड यांचे आधार घेवपाक ज्यो बायोडायवर्सिटी मॅनेजमेंट कमिटी म्युनिसिपॅलिटीन आसा ती आतां परत सेटअप स्थापन करतले. त्या कमिटीन ही फुडाकार घेवपाक जाय. बिकॉज हे न्हय मॅनेज करतलो जाल्यार बायोडायवर्सिटी मॅनेजमेंट कमिटीक व्हडली एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आसा. त्याच बरोबर वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कशें चलता, बाजाराचे वेस्ट खंय वयता, हे सगळे विशय फोकस करपाक आमी हो प्रोग्राम फुडें घेतले. ताका लागून आमी कांय डेट्स फिक्स केल्लेले आसा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पयलें बुडप जें जाता न्हंयेन, आमी ह्या 25 जुलय वर्ल्ड ड्रावनींग प्रिवेंशन डे. आतां लोक कितें म्हणटा, कुत्रे मेले, माजर मेले, न्हंय उडोवप. ओके, सो इट इज अ प्लेस फॉर dead animals and people are also drowning in that. So we want to focus on that part. Then on 15 August, या 15 ऑगस्टाक आमी एक नवे फोकस हाडूंक सोदता ऑफ टेकिंग अ प्लेज, रेजोल्युशन घेवप की बाबा आमी तार रिवर प्रोटेक्ट करतले भुरग्यां भितर. सो वी आर गोइंग टू अप्रोच ऑल द एजन्सीज इन द एड्युकेशन इन्स्टिट्यूशन. कोविडाक लागून ते तितले एक्टीव ना, पूण ज्यो टिचर इनचार्ज आसा, NSS, NCC, ज्युनियर रेड क्रॉस, कंज्युमर क्लब, अशे जायते बारीक बारीक संस्था आसता, तांकां अप्रोच करून टुगेदर विथ द सोशल क्लब्स. मेनी ऑफ द सोशल क्लब्स आर डुईंग एक्सलंट वर्क. Rotary, JCs, Lions, Giants, so many, Samrat, there are so many. So we are trying to approach them to say, Papa, on 15 August, can you take a pledge that we will support Tar River. We will make Tar River our river. आम्ही पुढं प्रोग्राम ऑक्टोबरान घेतले जेन्ना हे सगळे फीडबॅक आम्ही गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंटाच्यान मेळ्ळे उपरांत देर इज आवर बास्तारा पंचायत which is also on the border. There is Moira and there are other villages which are panchayats which are bordering the river. During the 2nd October, we are going to push for special Gram Sabha discussion on how the village panchayat can help the rejuvenation of Tar River. Oh, आम्ही प्रयत्न करतले. We have already started the process by Directorate of Panchayats and the concerned BDO. Finally, the first phase we are going to draw the conclusion on 19 November. That is World Toilet Day. आज आमचे न्हंय जे आसा, आमचे वॉटर बॉडीज जे आसा, कितलेशे आमचे टॉयलेट वेस्ट ह्युमन एक्सक्रिटा हितून वयता, तेजेर लक्ष घालपाक वी आर गोइंग टू डू मेजर फोकस. गिरायकाक प्रत्येक गिरायकाक विचारपाचें, बाबा हांव संडासान गेलो, ते संडासाचे सेप्टीक आनी ते खंय वयता हे प्रश्न घालप, तेन्ना आमची जबाबदारी येतली. सो दीस इज द ओवरऑल प्रोग्राम. बट वी आर व्हेरी हॅपी ऑफकोर्स दॅट मेजर ऑफ द पीपल हू आर सपोज टू बी हियर came. Of course, Public Works Department was not present, WRD was not present, whatever it is, but I can understand. Honorable Chief Minister has given them directions regarding what has happened at Giri. So, म्हाका तरी दिसता त्या नदरेन खंय तरी एक्शन जातले. पूण आयज जो आमी फोकस हाडलेलो आसा, आनी लास्ट आमी म्युनिसिपालिटीचे अशें सांगलां द तार ब्रीज, ह्या ब्रिजाचेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय, तेजी सेफ्टी ऑडिट जावपाक जाय. तेजे आतां आमी पळयतात थोडे थोडे हेजे पिलराचे कुडके गेल्लेले आसा. दीस इज द व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट लायफ लायन. इट हॅज टू बी पेंटेड, इट हॅज टू बी रिपेअर्ड. हू वील टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? वी हॅव टू सी. एंड फायनली रिवर इज अ नायस प्लेस फॉर रेस्ट एंड रेक्रिएशन. आज पासून ते कोवीड टायमान लोकांचेर भरपूर स्ट्रेस येयलेलो आसा. आमच्यो न्हंयो they can become the spots of reducing the stress. So ह्या नदरेन आमी सगळे local self bodies, social organization आमी request करतले, बाबा how can we make this a place to sit down in the evening. हांव जाणा हे विसर्जन पॉयंटार सगळे फाल्यां येवं लोक बांक घालून बसपाक लागले जाल्यार there will be problem. So management has to be done. How best we can, if you see the river every day, it will be improved, it will be managed. So ह्या नदरेन we are very pleased with the first effort. आयज इतलो पावस पडून हे सगळे डिपार्टमेंट येयलेले. आय वॉन्ट टू थँक द डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेस, डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर स्पेशल सेल फॉर गिविंग द डायरेक्शन टू अर्बन हेल्थ सेंटर and the urban health center staff for coming here and fixing this inspection. Anybody from okay, we have called requested Director of Municipal Administration and G. Suda to be represented here. Of course, they have not come. They have asked MMC also to be here. I'll just explain what is the reason. See, Directorate of Municipal Administration is a organization which is looking at all municipal bodies all over Goa. One of the major tasks of the DMA is to see that the bylaws are properly drafted and implemented. So one of the difficulties that are there is we are actually using a 1968 Act, right? Okay. So the deficiency lies in the weak rules and regulations that may be there. So it may require some redrafting and passing of some bylaws. On particularly, of course, some have been passed regarding waste management. That is coming in slowly. But in terms of maintaining of water bodies and such other things, there may be need. So we are also asked DMA to look at it. Where a river passes through a municipal area, what is the responsibility? There may not be something in writing. Okay. Now, as you know, in terms of wells, Biojasa, the wells now are getting revived partly because of the WRD scheme or Dithor Goyam Dithor Bain. Under that scheme and the grant that is being given to the well owner, these private and public wells are getting slowly activated through registration. So, since we are on the matter of rivers, that's why we have requested DMA. Second point, Roland Martins from Goa Can. The purpose of why we have petitioned to the DHS and Urban Health Center regarding the river Tar is because that as you know, uh, the river, Tar River has come into a lot of focus because of 2-3 issues. One is, of course, the water getting blocked initially because of the pipes which were put there. Then subsequently it started getting blocked because of the debris and such other material. Together with that, we have also seen many of the media reports that a lot of waste matter is being dumped in the river, like some garbage, some waste material from the market, all sorts of things. So one of the issues here is that definitely it is a health hazard. It will lead to many health issues. That being the first fact. The second fact is, being a consumer organization, our focus is to see what change the consumer can bring about in the system. See, as you know, under Consumer Protection Act 2019, आमच्या सगळ्या गिरायकांक हक्क आसा, पण ती जबाबदारी जी आसा तेजेर आमी चड फोकस करूंक सोदता. So one of the purpose of having this inspection today is also to get some feedback from the department as to what changes need to be made. These are, of course, what government department should do. One of the things we want from you is in what way consumers can change their behavior. There are various things. You must have been thinking of this matter and you may be having it in mind. Now,
the main issue was dumping of mixed waste over here.
this way.
Yeah, people, this is the main road,
Yes.
the junction of Baswara and Mapsa Municipal Council.
Okay.
And it is very difficult here to maintain and to monitor.
Okay.
Municipality has done a good job by putting a board over here that finding dumping of garbage is prohibited.
Right.
But still, even after that, people are still dumping
Right.
because there is no monitoring
Okay.
and there is no solution for the people.
Yes.
So we need to give a solution to the people over here. Since this is the Visarjan point,
Yes.
where during festival, like during Chaturthi, there will be many flower waste which would be generated over here.
Yes.
So instead of prohibiting them, we can keep one dustbin that can be collected separately. Flower
Very
waste,
focused on that.
only on flower waste, only focusing on flower waste.
Yes,
You
yes.
can keep one dustbin where flower waste can be collected separately.
Okay.
Regarding dumping, we can put a barricades over there so that people cannot dump directly from the road over there. People don't come here and dump. Instead, they just throw from there.
Okay.
So if we put a barricade over there, that
Some
can
netting, some netting.
be netting. Exactly. It can be eliminated.
Okay.
Regarding dumping of CND, construction demolition has become a major issue besides solid waste management. As Goa Waste Management, along with North Goa Collector and Goa State Pollution Control Board, we have notified one site in 2M
Okay.
for temporary disposal of CND waste, where any municipality or any puncher, any nodal, any contractor can contact Goa Waste Management Corporation
Take the benefit.
and they can take the benefit. They can dispose their segregated CND waste at site. So we have notified that site. We have also put a security cabin along with a security personnel where they can monitor and the waste can be collected and transported